Basement pest prevention during new home construction starts with designing moisture control and sealed access points from the foundation up. Focus on integrated moisture management and pest exclusion from the start by planning for a sealed sump pump with a tight-fitting cover and pit flange to block rodent and insect entry while allowing proper plumbing vents. Apply a labeled perimeter termiticide treatment according to local regulations along the footings before backfill to reduce subterranean termite pressure, and document product and application rates for future inspections. Grout and seal any foundation cracks and surface penetrations with hydraulic cement or elastomeric sealant, and inspect at rough grade and again after final grade to catch settling gaps. Set exterior grade to slope at least 6 inches over the first 10 feet away from the foundation to direct surface water away and reduce long-term soil moisture that attracts pests. Plan for a whole basement dehumidifier sized to the conditioned floor area, ducted or placed centrally, and aim to keep relative humidity below 50% to discourage mold and moisture-loving pests. Install sealed window wells with corrosion-resistant mesh covers that keep out rodents, snakes, and debris while allowing egress compliance and periodic drainage inspection. 3 common mistakes are skipping a sealed sump pump cover, which leaves a direct path for pests and sewer gases. Fix this by specifying a manufactured sealed cover and verifying a snug fit during rough-in. Another error is failing to treat or document a perimeter termiticide application before backfill, which reduces long-term options for soil treatment. Require application notes on the project file and schedule post-backfill inspections. A third issue is improper exterior grading that allows water to pool against the foundation, so confirm final grade with a level or string line and add additional soil lift or a drainage swale if runoff is toward the house. We run bighomeprojects.com as a place where homeowners can find local contractors experienced in basement moisture and pest control, and contractors can list their services and find work. We also host an active discussion community where members share site-specific experiences and practical tips.